Hello, and welcome to our latest update from Hubei Hongsheng Special Vehicle Co. Limited. Today, we're excited to share some big news from our export division. At Hubei Hongsheng, we're committed to delivering high-quality vehicles that meet the specific needs of our global customers. This shipment is a testament to the trust and confidence that our partners in South America have placed in us. Whether it's for construction, mining, or heavy-duty tasks, our JAC dump trucks are built to deliver performance, durability, and value. We look forward to a successful partnership with our South American customers, and we're excited to see these vehicles in action. Stay tuned for more updates from Hubei Hongsheng. Thanks for watching.